There you see it.
This is what you call rally run. Is it? Next spot. That's where I normally get stuck, right there.
Bounced over it. Yes. Ah, these roads keep you young, eh?
Yep.
Get the heart rate up there.
Here's the waterfall.
Oh wow. Journey getting here. This is a very much off
the beaten track playing journey in the foothills of the Drakensberg. The closest town is Elliot. So major 4x4 route getting in here. And but what a beautiful place. Some dear friends of mine have kindly offered up their beautiful little wooden structure here that they built recently, and there's the what's known as Crab Mountain, or Ntunzi in Xhosa, which is Crab Claw Mountain. As you can see, it looks like a crab, also known as the Gatberg. So just want to point out this beautiful little Watland daub compost toilet structure as well that was built by my friends, and they actually attended a building course with me, so they learned the Watland daub technique. Compost toilet structure with lovely bottle windows, and there's the view. I'm gonna go and explore because I can hear a waterfall, so let's go see what we can find. This is the ablution block here up at Heavenly Heights, and one of the camping areas. It's in this lovely wattle forest here, so it's very protected from the elements and the wind, and very peaceful. And that's the road out of here. There's the farm. Beautiful piece of land that I'm staying at. Belong to friends of mine. They're living very much off the grid here, and a fine example of using what you have. There's a beautiful rock building there. It's a working farm and open to visitation, so if anyone would like to come out here and enjoy the beautiful hiking, I'll put their link in the description below. They're living the simple life out here. So here I am again, this beautiful piece of land.